Here we are in a 2013 Ford F-250. As you can see, starting fault on the dash. We're doing a spare remote head key. Customer has one, got one, OEM. Just food for thought on these. If you're gonna do a spare, I'm gonna do like I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna erase key, especially when doing a remote key on the 250s. A lot of times it'll program the transponder, but it won't program the remote. You'll try to onboard program the remote and you'll just get a horn sounding. So like I said, that's just food for thought. So we're gonna go ahead and delete, and we got a 10-minute wait, and we'll be back shortly. All right, so our 10 minutes is about up here. Got our new key in the ignition. Okay, so we got 0 keys, as you can see. Go ahead and shut this off, put it back in. There's door locks, as you can see. It switches to 1, put the original back in. Kill the door lock cycle. That's it, and then you can probably see 2 keys. We're gonna hit OK. Go ahead and disconnect. There's the original. There's that. Our new one. There we are. Go ahead and start it. Make sure. Hopefully we're okay since it's up on a lift at a Ford dealer. They must have something unhooked. We won't be messing with that, but there we are. 2013 Ford F-250 remote head key.